What's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out here at ACP. It's called Arizona Cycle Park. I'm out here representing Moto City. We got the full Yamaha lineup out here, but why we're out here is over here at the side we have Jason Rains. Now Jason Rains is a professional enduro champion, does hair scrambles and things of that nature, and right now he's putting on the Jason Rains Yamaha Ride Day event. So what we have here are 21 of Yamaha's off-road motorcycles that are here ready to be ridden, and guys are going out there on the track over here full of Yamaha motorcycles. They're out here riding each of these bikes. Sign up is super simple, and all these guys right here are currently in line ready to ride. Hey, what are you riding today?
I'm riding the 250.
250? What are you riding?
The 450.
450. What are you riding?
450.
450. So all these guys are waiting in line in order to get their chance to get out there on Yamaha's 2021 lineup. This poor bike right here got tipped over out there on the track. Rider says somebody took his line and took him out. It happens at these events out here. Anyway, the sign up process is super simple. You basically click here, register, you put your information in, and then you get a tag like this. Now this tag is going to have marked on it all the different bikes that you are signed up and ready to ride today. So this gentleman right here, oh dude, you can ride up to 4, and this guy's going to be riding the 125, the 250, the 125X, and the 250X. Pretty sick. So really quick, let's step on over here and take a look at these bikes ripping on the track. Now Jason Rains does these events across the country. So this event is a perfect place for a novice rider, a beginning rider, somebody who's never really ridden before but knows how to work a throttle, a clutch, and a brake. You can get out here and get on these machines and rip some laps. As you can see, this gentleman down here on the course right now isn't a really proficient rider. He can obviously turn the throttle and grab some clutch, but you can see by his body posture and how he's handling this 450 that he could definitely use a little bit more practice. Now this gal right here coming around on this two-stroke, her name's Sabrina, and Sabrina is one of the gals that runs KTMpartspro.com. So if you've ever ordered from that site, chances are she has touched your parts and put them in the package and mailed them out to you. She's a super competent rider. I think she rides I think she currently rides either a KTM 125 or 250. I am unsure. We'll have to find out later. Anyhow, stepping on over to the Yamaha booth. As you see, bikes are now coming in off the track. And it's really simple. And as long as you have a check mark on the side of your helmet that says what motorcycle you are scheduled to ride, as soon as the bikes come in off the track, they get a quick look over by the guys here at the Yamaha booth, Jason Rains and his associates. And as soon as the bike clears inspection again, if you will, the next rider steps up, jumps on, takes off, and has an opportunity to spin 3 or 4 laps out there on the track. Nice. 250F getting a little bar adjustment here.
Yeah, for sure. Your bent back in shape. I got a 450 got the airport.
So as you get ready to head back out, you're going to go ahead and cross off the motorcycle that you're currently riding. And then this guy here, he's lucky. He's got 2 more rides left after this one. I don't know if the roost.
You and me get a picture by the truck.
Right now, right now. Ride yourself right now over to Moto City Power Sports to pick up your machine. That's what you need to do. So here it is, the back of Jason Rain's Yamaha truck, rangeracing.com. Now Jason does these events all over the US. It is a national tour. Earlier this year I went and participated at an event at the Paris Raceway in California. Today we're out here at ACP. As you can see, this event is popping. All kinds of action, all kinds of people getting out, getting an opportunity to rip these new machines. Now, if you haven't heard of the event, please leave a comment down below and we'll be able to find the next event in an area near you. Again, Jason Rain's Yamaha Demo Days, and I'm out here at Moto City. If you are looking for a Yamaha motorcycle, make sure you take a look at Moto City. We got awesome prices, awesome staff from a family-friendly dealership. Pretty awesome. Anyway, I'm Bradshaw. Thank you guys for tuning into the channel today. Really appreciate it. Please hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and more importantly, the notification bell. Until next time, and as always, I hope you guys take care and ride safe.